Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FashionNova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about FashionNova and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter the storage. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.